Today I'm going to show you how to make slow cooker beef and ale stew. You will need 500 grams of diced beef, 400 millilitres of ale, 300 millilitres of stock. I used beef stock, but you can use a chicken stock, 2 carrots, 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of thyme, and 2 bay leaves. Then to a large frying pan add your oil, then add your beef and fry until browned. And then add your flour, give it a really good mix until the flour has well coated the beef. And then remove this from the heat and pop into your slow cooker. And then to your frying pan, you just want to add your ale, just for a minute. This is going to help take all the juices of the beef that have been left on the frying pan. It's also going to help cook off the alcohol slightly. And then add this to your slow cooker as well. And then you're just going to simply add all of your ingredients to your slow cooker. For your onion, you want to dice it. And for your carrots, you want to cube them. And I just used a garlic press for the garlic as well, but you can dice it into very small pieces if you want. And then once all your ingredients have been added, just give it a really good stir. And then you want to cook in the slow cooker, either 4 hours on high or 6 hours on low. I also added 2 tablespoons of corn flour 30 minutes before the end of the cooking time to thicken up the sauce, but this is an optional. And there you have it. That's how you make slow cooker beef and ale stew.